How to replace the USB board. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and fan. Removal. Peel back the Mylar shielding. Lift the locking bars up on the USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the left edge of the USB board off the alignment pins, slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover, and remove. Note: before installing a new USB board, remove the USB door from the old USB board and install them onto the new USB board. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.